Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to play on multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. This method is easy to follow and it's one of the best ways to manage multiple accounts in 2024. To get started, you'll need to download a tool called Roblox Account Manager. I'll leave a link in the description that will take you to the GitHub page where you can download it. Once you're on the GitHub page, scroll down and click Download. The file will be downloaded as a zipped folder. After the download is complete, you'll need to extract the files. Right-click on the zipped folder and select Extract All. Then click Extract. Once the files are extracted, open the folder and look for the file named robloxaccountmanager.txt. Double-click on this file to open it. When you first open Roblox Account Manager, you won't see any accounts listed. To add an account, click on the Add Account button at the bottom. You'll need to enter your Roblox username and password. If you're concerned about security, I've checked this tool and it's safe to use. Many popular YouTubers use it and it's a legitimate program. Once you've added your account, you can easily join a game by clicking on the account and selecting Open Browser. This will open a new browser window with that account logged in. From there, you can join any game you want. If you want to join a specific game, you can enter the place ID, which you can find in the URL of the games page on Roblox. To play on multiple accounts at the same time, there's one important setting you need to enable. In the Roblox Account Manager, click on the Settings button at the top and then turn on the Multi-Roblox option. This will allow you to open more than one account simultaneously. Now, let's try opening two accounts at the same time. Click on one account and open a game, then click on another account and open a second game. You should see both games running at the same time. It's as simple as that. One thing to keep in mind is that if you close the Roblox Account Manager, it will close all but one of the games you have open. So make sure to keep the manager open while you're playing on multiple accounts. By the way, if you like gaming, I have something special for you. You can receive a gift card just by entering your email address and completing a few surveys using the link in the description. It might take some time, but you don't have to spend any money. So if you have some extra time, check it out. The link is in the description.